New tonight, teens put a gun to a man's chest, all to steal his truck. IMPD says it's another example of what they call unacceptable youth violence. Now, 4 young suspects face charges for an attempted armed carjacking ahead of this busy holiday weekend. CBS 4's Scarlett O'Hara went to the near southwest side to bring us IMPD's message for parents.
Just thinking about it, what could have happened.
The possible outcomes were grim.
You have a gun to your chest, and guys got bandanas up over their eye, to their eyes, and I thought I was a goner. I really did.
Jerry Fraley was under the hood of his truck Tuesday morning when he was swarmed by 4 masked thieves demanding his keys.
I started backing up, going to the porch, and the other guy there had a big ball bat, and he's hollering to get me to give him his phone. I said, I'm not giving you my phone.
He did hand over the keys, but what Fraley knew that the crooks were about to find out is his truck quit running the night before. That's why he was under the hood when they approached. So he watched from his house and called 911 as they hopped in, tried to start the truck, then jumped back out and ran. IMPD officials say a combination of city camera visuals provided by the Real-Time Crime Center and neighborhood witnesses helped end their search, which began here, a couple blocks away from the scene, where an officer spotted 4 people matching the suspect descriptions before they took off running again. Court documents say the suspects dashed through yards, jumped fences, and resisted arrest. They were found with a gun, a live round, masks, and a metal baseball bat. Turns out all are teenagers. Only one is 18, Jack Carcamo.
Teenagers have no respect these days. Some do. I'm not going to say all of them don't, but the majority don't. Society has just got totally out of hand.
Documents say the suspects were also linked to a car with a broken window, reported stolen out of Wisconsin.
This behavior is unacceptable, no matter what age. If you're an adult to juvenile, threatening somebody's life and putting them in fear for their life over a material object is downright unacceptable.
With a busy holiday weekend ahead, IMPD says it's extra important for parents to step up and know where their kids are at all times.
We need the community's help as well to understand that violence and any sort of disruption to what should be a celebratory weekend isn't going to be tolerated.
On the west side, Scarlett O'Hara, CBS 4 News.